Hello students, myself Ritesh Kumar Rai from Electrical Engineering Department. I am going to teach circuit and system, and today topic is basic operation of signals. When we, when we process a signal, this signal may undergo several manipulations involving the independent variable or the amplitude of the signal. The basic operations on signals are as follows, and like time shifting, time reversal, time scaling, amplitude scaling, signal addition, signal multiplication. The first three operation corresponding to transform, it means time shifting, time reversal and time scaling. Transformation in independent variable t or n of a signal. The last three operations like amplitude scaling, signal addition, signal multiplication to transformation and amplitude of a signal. Sometimes a given mathematical function may be completely described as signal. Different operations are required for different purpose of arbitrary signal. Like first one is time shifting. Mathematically, the time shifting of a continuous time signal xt can be represented by yt equal to x t plus minus t naught. Each time shifted version of the signal xt, x t plus t naught, it means negative shifting, and x t minus t naught is positive shifting. These are the following diagram for the negative shifting and positive shifting. The time shifting of a signal may result in time delay or time advance. In the above equation, if t naught is positive, to the shift is to the right and the shifting delay the signal, and of t naught is negative, the shift is to the left and the shifting advance the signal, and arbitrary signal xt is delayed version and advanced version as shown in the figure. Shifting a signal in time means that a signal may be either advanced in time axis or delay in time axis. Xt can be also written as xt plus t naught, signal advance, shift to the left. Here is show right side and left side. Xt plus t naught, it means signal shift to the left. X time scaling. Time scaling is represented by xat is time scale version of the signal xt, where a is always positive. Mod of a greater than 1, compression of the signal. Mod of a less than 1, expansion of the signal. These are the following diagram which show compression of the signal and expansion of the signal. Note UAT equal to UT. Time scaling is not applicable for unit step function. Unit step function is defined as if t greater than and equal to 0, the value of function is equal to 1, and when t less than and equal to less than 0, then the value of function is equal to 0. Next is time scaling, may be time expansion or time compression. The time scaling of a signal xt can be accomplished by replacing t by a t in it. Mathematically, it can be expressed as yt is equal to x at. If a greater than 1, it results in time compression by a factor a, and if a less than 1, it results in a time expansion by a factor a, because with that transformation, a point at in signal xt become a point at t in yt. Example given xt and we are to find yt equal to x2t. From in first figure, the graph represented by xt, and next one is yt equal to x equal to 2t. The period of xt is 2 and the period of yt is 1. So these are the difference between the both curve, and time scaling in this curve is 2. Given yt, find wt equal to y equal to 3t and vt equal to y yt upon 3. In first figure, vt yt, and second one multiply by y, wt equal to y 3 times t, speed up by 3, and next curve is vt equal to y t by 3. It means it is in expanded form, where the x limit is 0, 3, 6, 9. Time reversal or time folding. Time reversal is also called time folding. In time reversal, signal is reversed with respect to time. Yt equal to x minus t is obtained for the given function. Here is the showing graph. Time reversal, it is also denoted by x minus t. It is obtained by replacing the independent variable t by minus t. Folding is also called as the reflection of the signal about the time origin t equal to 0. So an arbitrary signal xt and figure show its reflection x minus t. In first figure, original curve, and next one is the reflection of the first curve. Amplitude scaling. C equal to xt is amplitude scaled version of xt, whose amplitude is scaled by a factor c. The amplitude scaling of a continuous time signal xt can be represented by yt equal to cxt, where c is a constant. The amplitude of yt at any instant is equal to a c times the amplitude of xt at that instant, but the shape of yt is same as the shape of xt. If c greater than 1, it is amplification, and if c is less than 1, it is attenuation. Here the amplitude is rescaled, hence the name amplitude scaling. Show an arbitrary signal xt. Similarly, the amplitude scaling of a discrete signal can be represented by in the form of xn, and continuous signal is represented by xt. Addition of two signals is nothing but addition of their corresponding amplitude. This can be best explained by using the following example. As seen from the diagram, in first case, jt equal to x1t plus x2t equal to 0 plus t, where t the value minus 10 to minus 3. Then zt equal to 2. When t value minus 3 to 3, amplitude of zt equal to x12 plus x2t equal to 1 plus 2 equal to 3. And when t varies 3 to 10, amplitude of zt x1t plus x2t 0 plus 2 equal to 2. Next one is subtraction. Subtraction of two signals is nothing but subtraction of their corresponding amplitude. This can be best explained by the following example. It means addition and subtraction is basically addition of amplitude of the two signal, and subtraction is the subtraction of amplitude of two signal. In the both cases, the limit will be taken by same, as seen from the diagram. When t vary minus 10 to minus 3, amplitude of zt equal to x1t minus x2t, 0 minus 2 equal to minus 2. and when minus 3 to 3 amplitude of z equal to x1t minus x2 to 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1. When t value 3 to 10 amplitude of z equal to x1t plus x2t equal to 0 minus 2 equal to minus 2. Multiplication. Here multiplication of amplitude of two or more signal at each instance of time or any other independent variable is done which are common between the signals. Multiplication of signal is illustrated in diagram below, where x1t and x2t are two time independent signals on whom after performing the multiplication operations we get yt equal to x1t into x2t. These are the diagram of the solve example. Draw RT plus 3 where RT is ramp signal. Ramp signal is defined as when t greater than and equal to 0, the function of the value equal to t, and when t is less than or equal to 0, then the value of RT equal to 0. So these are the basically diagram of the curve of the given subtraction, multiplication, addition. These are the waveform for the example of these are the property. And addition is the also sum of two continuous time signal x1t and x22 can be obtained by adding their value at every instant of time. Similarly, the subtraction of one continuous time signal x2t from another signal x1t can be obtained by subtracting the value of x2t from that of x1t at every instant. Signal multiplication. The multiplication of two continuous time signal can be performed by multiplying their value at every instant. Two continuous time signal x1t and x2t. So two continuous time signal x12 and x2t so are following diagram. These are the example of the multiplication, addition, subtraction and all the operation of the given signal properties. Thank you.